US crude sustaining so far above 78 levels, strong support there, and NG trying to bounce back, and it is yet again above $7. Now, what can be expected today out of these two? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Watch till the end. The next analysis on US crude and NG will be up before the Asia session tomorrow. So, do press the bell icon. Let's start the day. First, we'll look into crude, followed with NG, and do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly chart, see it is seen a high, failed to breach past the resistance at $80. It went close to $80. $80 is definitely a very strong resistance, and now there is a support at 78. See, a retracement, drop. This red candle may try to take it till towards 78, or the next candle may take it towards 78. Below 78 we may see another round of drop which will take it till towards 77, and then in fact we can see a strong drop till towards 75 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards on the hourly charts. The MACD is trading parallel and with very little divergence. It is in green. Hence, you have to be cautious. Let's wait for it to breach below 78. RSI is trying to trade around bottom. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart to retracement, reversal. Possibly we may see couple of more red candles which might at least take it till towards 77 and then 75 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is comfortable on the 2-hour charts. It can try to cross for a sell entry. The MACD is trading bearish with very little divergence. RSI is at bottom and it's almost oversold. And look at the 3-hour charts. On 3-hour charts, after a little retracement, this is the first red candle. Possibly once it drops below 78, you can certainly expect 77 is seen, and this time in fact it can take a stronger drop which might take it till towards 75 levels. The bearishness is diminishing on the 3-hour charts, and stochastic coming out of the oversold zone. The MACD is trying to trade with a divergence and is trading bearish. RSI is looking downwards, indicating more bearishness. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, retracement, reversal. Possibly we may see further sharper red candles taking it till towards 77, 75 levels today. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic trying to come out of the oversold zone. MACD bearish. RSI at the bottom. Almost all the charts indicating the same. Now look at the daily charts. After a little retracement, sharper drop, sharper red candles. The downside is open. Yes, it can drop a little. If it drops, sustains below 78, certainly you can expect a little more drop. But remember, on the daily charts, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. Hence, a reversal can be expected above $80 levels. You can again expect that we may see 81.2, 82 and 82.4 levels. There is a resistance at around 82.4, 83 levels. These are going to be strong resistance level, and if it breaks past 83, then only you can expect a little bullishness. So be cautious there on the downside, as it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. We may see a pullback again on the upside. Yes, you can buy at around $80 levels and expect it to give you a rise. The directional movement is extremely bearish here. You can see it is divergent. And if you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD is again divergent and bearish. The RSI at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to be cautious, or rather not trade between 78 to $80. Yes, a wider range, but today is the first trading session for the week. It may try to decide the direction for the rest of the week. Hence, and this is also volatile, and hence give it a little time, give it a little room for it to decide and settle. Yes, between 78 and 80, you have to be very, very cautious. Only if the only sell entry, the only short entry today is below 78. Below that, you can expect 77 and 75 as the next target, and below that are also possible. Above $80 levels, the next target is 81.2. 82, 82.4 and then 83. These are the levels which it might achieve. Only little bullish confirmation is if it trades above 84. Remember, till 84 you have to be cautious, as it can try to reverse again. Hence, do not trade between 78 to 80. trade with caution in between these levels. Also trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch, 16th batch, starting 3rd of October. 15 days, 90 minutes live sessions daily will, and the strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Else you can be part of the signals group or become a Patreon. The Patreon size link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at NG. See, NG on the early charts is trying to reverse, but at the same time this is the highs of the channel, and hence only bullish confirmation is if it tries to trade above 7.12. Beyond 7.12 you can expect 7.2 as the target. Be cautious of 7.12 levels. At the same time, on the downside, yes, you can sell here at 7.04 levels. So in between 7.12 and 7.04, do not trade. Still, if it tries to trade below 7.04, expect 6.98 as the first target, and then 6.95, 6.9. Till 6.9 it has got good support. Below 6.9 we can expect a stronger drop. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is near overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish on the hourly charts. It is trying to indicate increasing bullishness there. RSI is now coming out of the oversold zone. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour charts here. See, first thing is it has created a base out there at around 6.9 and trying to rise from there. This is going to be, see, also look at the bullishness getting diminished, and possibly only if it tries to breach past 7.22 zone, you can expect we may see little more bullishness for 7.28 and then 7.35 levels. Beyond 7.35 it should be considered for a little reversal. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is entering into overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over, and this is a bullish cross. This is trying to look upwards. RSI is trying to come out of the oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, 6.98 levels providing it a support. Higher lows are seen and lower highs are seen. Let it come out of this zone. Yes, you can buy at 7.12, expect 7.2 as the first target, 7.24, 7.3 as the next target. In fact, 7.28 and 7.3 as the next target. Beyond 7.3 we can see 7.35. Breaking 7.35 you can expect little bullishness, which might take it till 7.4. It has got a stronger resistance, so I am giving you all the levels where you may find it getting tough to crack pass by, and hence at the levels below which you can expect that it may try to reverse again. Hence be cautious till 7.4 levels. The directional movement on the 2-hour charts is bearish. Stochastic is coming out of the oversold zone. The MACD is willing to converge and cross over here, and the RSI is trying to come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts it has created the base here at around 6.995 levels, trying to give you a bounce back. Yes, the next candle will be of interest to us. If it trades beyond 7.12, you can expect certainly 7.2, 7.2428, and then towards 7.4, which is going to be, yes, 7.35 and then 7.4 levels. This is going to be a level of interest. If it trades above 7.4, certainly a little more bullishness for 7.5, 7.6 can be seen. The directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge a little. Stochastic coming out of the oversold zone, looking upwards. The MACD is willing to converge, and the RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. Now look at the daily charts. Remember, this is the first, second red candle. The follow up third red candle can be expected. Every rise till towards 7.3, 7.24 is a good opportunity that it may try to reverse again. And yes, you can sell here at 7. Rather, I will recommend at $7 levels itself. Sell here at $7 and then expect it to drop further 6.95, 6.8, and then below that we may see a sharper drop till towards 6.6 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again trying to look into oversold zone. The MACD is trading with divergent and bearishness, and RSI is coming out of the, and it is trading near to bottom rather. So yes, you can buy here at 7.12 levels, but then expect 7.2, 7.2428, and then 7.3 levels as the stronger resistance. Beyond that, 7.35 and 7.4. Only little bullish confirmation is if it trades above 7.4, then you can expect 7.5, 7.6 and plus levels. Else it can try to reverse any point of time till towards 7.3, 7.35 levels. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell NG at $7. So yes, in between $7 and 7.12, do not take any position. Strictly, I will recommend you to avoid taking any position at 7.12 zone. Below 7, yes, you can expect it to drop. Expect that 6.9 to 6.84, 6.8 levels should provide a very strong support. So below that 6.95, 6.92, these levels you should watch out for, and then below 6.92 certainly we may see it hitting 6.8 and below levels. How far it can drop? Yes, it can go till towards 6.6, 6.5 levels, which are going to be a very strong support levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trading stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.